How to go live on TikTok without 1000 followers. Hey everyone, it's me Jessica from Create, Login and Delete. So let's get started with the tutorial. First of all, let's open the TikTok app on your mobile device and also make sure that you are logged into your TikTok account. Here, as you can see, I do not have much followers available on my account. But if I want to go live on TikTok, then I need to post some viral videos or also meet the age requirements of the TikTok. Also, it depends upon the region you are available in. In my region, it only needs 100 followers in order to go live on TikTok. But I must have posted some video and my account must be on public. So make sure to follow the small requirements of the TikTok in order to go live. Make sure to post some viral contents, use hashtags, and make your profile not look like an anonymous. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe our channel. And thank you so much for watching.